ever seen something really cool on someone else's Facebook page or social media platform and you really wanted to implement that on your own one, but you didn't know what to do and how to do it? Well, I think that you probably been in that place and you probably don't know what to do, and you probably went onto other social media platforms and tried to find a solution, but you still couldn't crack the code. Well, I can assure you that it's very easy to crack all these codes. Moreover, you don't even need to use codes. What you need to do is actually know where to press, what to do step by step. And this is why I'm actually here to talk to you about. My name is Orsi and I am a business coach specialized in systems and processes. And many of my clients come to me and ask me, how can I do this? How can I create a Facebook page? How can I create a YouTube channel? How can I have a YouTube channel with full of videos? How can I create a video? How can I create my own events in different media platforms? And to be honest, the list is endless. I believe that there are so many tools out there which are free to use and you have access to it, but you just don't know what to do with them, and because of that you just leave it alone. Therefore, this is actually causing you lots of money. You can't really get to your clients as you want to. And I think that this is a really pain point for entrepreneurs, business owners, and even startuppers. And I don't want you to be one of those people who know that there is an option there, but you just don't know how to use it. That's why I decided that I'm going to show you how you can use these tools. My aim is actually to guide you and actually hold your hand and show you that this is what you exactly need to use. I know it's not easy, but I promise you that it's something that I will explain, and I believe that it will become crystal clear for you. So what we're gonna do, just imagine that like you have an onion and we're gonna start peeling each layer of that onion. And we're gonna go deep and we're gonna see that what else we can do. So just imagine that you have a YouTube channel. You probably never use your YouTube channel. So how you can create videos? How can you upload these videos to YouTube? How can you do captions? What you actually set up on each channel? Or if we talk about Facebook pages, how you can create a Facebook page. If you created one, that's awesome, that's really good. But what is the next level? How can you do something more deep? Something that actually creates engagement for your clients and for the people who want to work with you. I think that there are so many tools out there that we can use. Just think about some of meetups. I'm sure you have heard about it. You probably registered most of them, but you don't know how to use them. What to do with Snapchat, what to do with Instagram, how you can create Eventbrite events, and the list goes on and on and on. So what I decided to do, that I will show you some of these tools, and it's going to be absolutely free, no obligation whatsoever, but I'm sure that everything will come together in your head and you will realize that it's not a rocket science, it's very easy to use. So if you are in, all you need to do is just comment yes below in the comment section, just right there, and I will send you personally a message how you can get access to all this knowledge. So I hope that I can be your guide, and let's see what we can achieve together.